So I've been eyeing these Ugg slippers for a little less than a year now, so I decided just to buy them since we're going into winter. Wanted something cozy on my feet. These are the sandal slippers. Here's the Uggs box. I already took it out of the shipping box, and I got a size 8 fluffy yay slide. It doesn't say the color on here, but you can see it's sort of that reddish color. It comes packaged with information about the company and the waterproof features, as well as the weather rated features and dry textile. And it says you can register the product for a warranty. Ooh. These are super cute. They have this little strap in the back, which I was intrigued by because sometimes I feel like I'm flopping around in my slippers, so I think this will help keep my foot inside and snug. So you can see it's open toe. It has a really fluffy top. Minor platform. This is probably like 1.5 inches in the back, about 1 inch in the front, so it does have a slight heel to it. I love heels. I think that's kind of cool. It gives you a little bit of a lift. Feels like really good material. I mean, Uggs is well known for having good warm fabric. So this says it's real lamb fur, artificially dyed and treated, from Australia, but made in Vietnam. So this is the sole. It has like a rubber sole. You can definitely wear it outside. And there you go. So I saw they have a new red they came out with that's kind of a Merlot color, so more of like a wine. This is pretty crimson, very bright red, which I really like. So I decided just to go with it since it's half off. I thought that was a pretty good deal, and I like to switch my slippers fairly often, so I probably won't wear these more than a year. So these feel very comfortable on. They're like big platform slippers. I do feel the height. Kind of like that they're open-toed because you can see your pedicure, and I like the rubber sole because you can go outside. For $50, I highly recommend it. For $100, if you really need some slippers, then I think it could be worth it, especially if you get a lot of use out of your slippers. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to stay up to date with more hauls, hair videos, and beauty reviews, and I will see you next time.